As of January 2026, programming a garage door opener in a Tesla Model S depends on the car's model year. Models before 2021 use the built-in HomeLink system. Newer models, 2021 Plus, rely on Tesla's app-based controls, as HomeLink hardware was removed. This video will cover both methods, focusing on setup, testing, and key differences. HomeLink is a universal transceiver built into your Tesla Model S that uses radio frequency signals to communicate with your garage door opener. It acts as a bridge, mimicking the signals from your garage door remote to control the opener wirelessly. HomeLink typically operates on radio frequencies between 300 and 400 megahertz, which are standard for most garage door systems in North America. This compatibility makes it easy to integrate with a wide variety of garage door openers, providing convenient access without needing additional remotes. For Model S vehicles manufactured before 2021, begin by parking within 30 to 50 feet of your garage door opener. Next, locate the HomeLink buttons, which are usually on the rearview mirror. Clear any existing programming by holding the two outer buttons until the indicator light blinks, which takes about 20 seconds. Hold your garage door remote close to the HomeLink button you want to program. Press and release the remote button, then immediately press and hold the HomeLink button until the indicator flashes rapidly. Finally, test the setup by pressing the programmed HomeLink button. Modern garage door openers use rolling codes for enhanced security. Unlike fixed codes that stay the same, rolling codes change with each use to prevent unauthorized access. If your garage door opener uses rolling codes, you'll need to train HomeLink after the initial programming. This training process synchronizes the codes between your Tesla and the opener. To train HomeLink, first press the Learn or Program button on your garage door opener motor. This puts the opener into training mode. Then, within 30 seconds, press the HomeLink button in your Tesla. This completes the code synchronization. Test the garage door response. If it doesn't work, repeat the process until the training is successful. For newer Model S vehicles built in 2021 and later, Tesla has moved garage door control to an app-based system on your vehicle's touchscreen. This eliminates the need for physical HomeLink buttons and integrates seamlessly with modern smart home technology. Start by accessing the Tesla app directly on your car's touchscreen. This is the primary interface for controlling various vehicle features, including garage doors. Navigate through the menu by selecting Controls and then Garage Door. This brings up the dedicated garage door control section, where you can manage your connected devices. The app will guide you through pairing your garage door opener. You'll typically need to enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on your vehicle and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your opener. Once paired, you can control your garage door directly from the touchscreen interface. Simply tap the control buttons to open or close the door, providing convenient access without needing additional remotes. If HomeLink isn't working, start by ensuring your garage door opener is compatible with the system. Most major brands like Chamberlain and LiftMaster work with HomeLink, but check the frequency and code type in your opener's specifications. Next, check for interference from other devices. Wi-Fi routers and other electronics can disrupt the radio signals. Make sure your setup complies with FCC regulations to avoid issues. If problems persist, repeat the programming process carefully. Clear any existing settings and follow the steps precisely, especially for rolling code openers where you need to cycle the door during setup. Always consult your garage door opener's manual for specific instructions tailored to your brand and model. For app-based controls in newer Model S vehicles, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Pairing typically uses Bluetooth or Wi-Fi through the Tesla app. Tesla is rapidly shifting from hardware-based systems like HomeLink to software-driven garage door control. This evolution provides enhanced reliability and user experience, with 80% of new owners already adopting app-based methods by 2026. This software approach enables seamless integration with popular smart home platforms such as Apple HomeKit and Google Home, allowing your Tesla to connect with your entire home automation ecosystem. These software solutions unlock advanced features like geofencing, which automatically opens your garage door as you approach home. You'll also have access to voice commands through Tesla's Assistant, remote control via mobile apps, and emerging AI-driven automation. Looking ahead, HomeLink hardware will become completely obsolete in all Tesla models by 2030. Future systems will leverage 5G connectivity for near instantaneous control and incorporate robust cybersecurity measures to protect your home access. Safety and legal considerations are crucial when programming your garage door opener. Always program your garage door opener in a safe location, not while driving. Ensure your setup complies with local regulations regarding radio frequency interference. If you're unsure about any part of the process, consult a professional installer. And don't forget to check Tesla's privacy policies when using app integrations.